darling sent me her 2023 advent calendar. And I didn't know a thing about it. They didn't send me an email. This was a complete surprise to me. I didn't even know about it. And this video is not a sponsor, it's not in partnership, nothing of that. I received this advent calendar, as I'm saying, as a gift. I just received it out of nowhere, right? But it's not in a sponsorship or in partnership. I want to reiterate that, because if you have been here on my channel, you know that I had a couple partnerships with Charlotte Tilbury in the past, but this is not, but I'm excited. And you know why I'm excited for? Because like I was telling you in a couple videos ago, in September, usually by mid-end of September is when it marks for the beauty industry, the calendar, to see all the beauty releases, including advent calendars. And I have seen this advent calendar on Charlotte Tilbury's website. By the way, I will be leaving, again, all the details, the link to the advent calendar at Charlotte Tilbury's website. That, by the way, I do have a 15% off code that is ongoing. But oh my gosh, my friends, and you know, plus I have never unboxed an advent calendar here on my YouTube channel, which is so weird. I do so many reviews of makeup, skincare, fragrances, hair care, you name it, but fashion, but never an advent calendar. So this is the first time, and it had to be with our darling Charlotte Tilbury. You know, stop blabbing right here. Let's open it up. So checking on the website, the cost of this calendar is of $210, but there is a little promise. It says, darlings, create an account when you purchase my beauty advent calendar in the app for instant access to my level 1 loyalty rewards. Unlock 3 free gifts to free shipping and free engraving to personalize your gift this holiday. Plus, you will earn 260 loyalty coins. Again, I will be leaving all these details on the description box below, so that way you can take advantage of the discounts, the points, and whatever else, and you know, the link how to take you to the app. Okay, friends, let's take it out. Honestly, I just opened the big box and I was like, Charlotte Tilbury, my goodness. So nice packaging. I think this will look amazing under the tree with a big bow. And let me show you this beauty. Oh my goodness, this is so precious. You know, this is sturdy, well made, little crystals, stars. It's so beautiful, and it has 12 boxes, so that, you know, it's kind of like 12 days of beauty kind of thing. So pretty. And let's see, there is a flap. Okay, oh, you can use it as somewhere to put, I mean, it can be your jewelry, you can put some fragrances, your makeup. Let's just start opening the box. There's no numbers on the box, but I will just go ahead and open each box. Let's go for what I will say number 1. This is gonna be a little bit hard for me to open, like carrying it like this, but I have nowhere to put it. Let's just take it out. It came all nicely wrapped, and let me show you the first product. And I will be putting each of the products, what is the value of them, because I know some of these are going to be generous travel size, and I think there's a couple products right here that are actual full size. Ooh, okay, this is a liquid lipstick by Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Walk of No Shame. This is a beautiful shade. Oh yeah, this is a beautiful mauve tone. I like the scent. It's kind of like minty. You know what? I do have a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, but let's try this one. Let's see. Oh, that's a pretty shade. This is, oh, I remember. This is the collagen bath, right? Yeah, that's what it is. It's not tingling. You just feel some coolness and freshness while it's plumping your lips. Now let's go for the second door. Ooh. Okay, let's see. Oh, it has moved all the way to the back. Okay, let me just take this whole thing off. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. So it is my understanding that this has a combination of vitamin C and niacinamide, and it helps with the radiance of your skin to make your skin look youthful and radiant. And the consistency is not really heavy. Oh, I like this. Let me just apply a little bit right here. You see, it's like very thin, even a little bit runny, and it feels really, really good on the skin. Ooh, I'm so excited about the Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. Now let's go for box number 3. Oh, and this is one of my favorite highlighters. It's a Hollywood Beauty Light 1 Easy Highlighter in the shade Spotlight. You know, my friends, if you have been following me for a long time, you know that this is one of my very favorite ones, and it's super easy to apply to. And this is so cute. They made it the same way as, you know, the regular size. Basically, you twist here, so you have an on and off mechanism. Make sure that you, when you're done using it, to completely twist it to off. And then, okay, I'm gonna open it up, and then you just squeeze. You don't want to squeeze too hard. It's already coming out. You see how it's getting darker? That's as much as you need. I'm just gonna take a little, and I'm just gonna tap right there in Spotlight, and definitely give you that beautiful spotlight on your face. But it melts on the skin so beautiful that it actually acts like a luminizer, not like a stripe of highlighter. It's completely different and very, very flattering. Let's go to the 4th door. Let's see what we got right here. I love that everything comes so beautifully wrapped too. That makes it extra special, because I mean, if you're planning to give this or just do it for yourself, it is beautiful to find everything nicely wrapped. This is Charlotte's Magic Lip Oil Crystal Elixir, and this is perfect to condition your lips. This is a really nice size, one that you can take on your back, and I really love that it has a little bit of a roller ball. Lip conditioner by day, lip mask by night. So it serves double purpose. Let's go to the 4th door. Let's see what we got right here. I have here the Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes. This is a great mascara, really unique one that you can really, really work your lashes and actually comb them and then push them up, which is fantastic. It has a great consistency too, and I love the travel size. We're half the way to the 6th door. And it's Charlotte Tilbury's Lip Cheat in Hot Gossip. This is a lip liner. I love this shade too. This is an OG. If you know Charlotte Tilbury, this is a great, great shade, because it's a little bit of a warm tone rose that is not too warm. It still is within the mauve family, but it has a tiny bit of warmth, so it can go either direction. It works beautifully. It's one of my favorite lip liners from Charlotte Tilbury, not only in terms of the formulation, but in terms of the shade. It goes really well paired with JK Magic. If you like that shade, this is a good shade for it too. We go to the 7th door. Let's see if I can open it. Okay, let's see what we got right here. This is the Rock and Call, the iconic eye pencil in Barbarella Brown. You know, my friends, how I love a good brown shade, and I think this is a good one. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is a deep brown, but it is a neutral brown, which is perfect. It will go well with so many different eye looks. And I appreciate a brown eyeliner so much because it's more versatile and it doesn't give you a stark look as when you use a black eyeliner. So happy for this. Okay, let's go for number 8. Oh, so cute! This is a Charlotte Tilbury Kabuki brush, and it's so soft. This is great to apply foundation if you have a setting powder or a finishing powder and you want to buff really well and leave your makeup looking seamless. These are great. Like I said, this is perfect too for anything cream as well. This is just so cute. Look how tiny and adorable. Perfect for traveling too. Let's go for the number 9. See what we got here. Oh, here you go. This is a full-size lipstick in Glowing Gem. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous shade. One of my very, very favorite shades from Charlotte Tilbury. And you know what? I remember when I started my YouTube channel, I did a full review on these lipsticks from Charlotte Tilbury. It was an entire collection. I bought them all, loved them all. And Glowing Gem is one of my favorites. Let me just swatch it for you. Look at this beauty. This is a soft rosy tone that is very neutral and just stunning. And the formula too is so gorgeous. It's full pigmented, full opacity, and non-drying. Just stunning. Let's go for door number 10. Oh my gosh, we're almost there. Oh my, this is so worth it. It's the Pillow Talk Matte Beauty Blush one. Yes! I love this shade. This is the Pillow Talk shade. This is the shade that every girl needs to have. Every girl needs to have this shade because it's just so flattering. In fact, I have it on right now. It's gorgeous. And it is the same mechanism as the highlighter that, sorry, there you go, that it has a little sponge. You twist it for on and off and all the jazz. Let me just close it. But this, like I'm saying, my friends, this is one of the best cream blushes in the market. Long lasting, not staining, they apply seamlessly. You don't need to be afraid. Like, you can be a beginner in makeup and they are just so easy to blend. So having it in this size, oh my gosh, this is perfection. I mean, like, imagine going on the holidays. I mean, I think most of us, we take even as a small trip or we commute, and having, you know, a smaller size of our favorites all in here. I think this is fantastic. Okay, friends, let's go for the door number 11. Oh, yay! This has to be here. I mean, the OG, right? This is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. And I do have a big jar, a medium jar, a small jar, smaller than these. This is a great, fantastic moisturizing cream. It's not too thick, it's not too heavy. It does moisturize your face beautifully without leaving it greasy. It just has the perfect consistency and it works wonders as a primer too. So I'm so happy for this. Now let's go to the very, very last box. Oh my. So here you have it. This is another full size of, you know, if you know, you know, which is my favorite setting spray to lock in your makeup. That it will not change the finish of your makeup look. So if you have a matte look or if you have a glowy look, this will not change it, but this will lock it and make it look perfect all day long. Is that Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. And this will last you for a long time. It comes with a spray, nice. This is fantastic. Definitely this advent calendar to me is worth the value because you receive not only the beautiful packaging, but all the products that you receive right here are OGs and are really, really great products. You receive some full sizes too. You're not only receiving little tiny, tiny travel sizes, but actually sizes that you can get a good use out of it, that they will last you a couple weeks. And that's really good, mostly if you don't know what to give and you think that Charlotte Tilbury, which in most of the cases is very appealing for many, many people, not only in terms of the finishes, but also the quality of their products, this is a great way to discover Charlotte Tilbury. And I'm just so grateful and so surprised. Honestly, I never received not even an email. This just appeared at my door like, hello, it's me you're looking for. I'm like, yes. So thank you so much to Charlotte Tilbury for sending this over to me. I was in no obligation to do this video. It is purely excitement. So hopefully you can share the excitement with me. Let me know if you're excited to get this advent calendar. I know many of you have already got it because I know how my darlings are in love with Charlotte Tilbury products. But also let me know which other advent calendars you are eyeing. I don't want to promise, but perhaps I will be purchasing some other advent calendars, but I would love to hear from you which one you think, oh, this looks really nice. Let's just continue that conversation on the comment section down below. While you're at it, and if you haven't done so yet, I want to invite you to do something that is completely free. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. I would love for you to become part of this family where we talk about everything beauty, from makeup, skincare, hair care, fragrances, fashion, and much more. If you're on Instagram, please come and follow me on my new Instagram account. Hey, it's Jacqueline here. If you're on TikTok, come and follow me there. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends, and until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye-bye!